Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited for this package which has come from Amazon. MRP is of 9.99, but I've got it in 169 rupees only. So let's quickly open it up and see what it is that is making me so happy. And I hope it actually turns out to be good because I'm really excited to open it up. Okay, so it's going to come out in this fashion. It is actually good. So these are three pieces of art which you need to put it together. It's an octagonal shape and it gives a look of 3D, but it's actually not. It's completely printed on the wooden frames. These, oh my god, look at them, they're gorgeous. This is complete, and this one. This also looks 3D. It's not. It's completely printed, and you get this adhesive behind, so you can paste it on the wall. So let's do it.